Hey guys, it's Ro. Welcome back to my channel. I got so many requests from you guys to make more vlogs, so that is exactly what we're gonna be doing today. And it's really special because I'm gonna be using the Canon Content Creator Kit. Big thank you to Canon for sponsoring this video. I absolutely love Canon cameras and I have been using them for years and years and years on my channel. Fun fact, most every episode of Nerdy Nummies is filmed on a Canon camera. I love that they are making these. It's like a YouTuber starter kit. They did not have these when I started YouTube, and what a difference that would have made. Let me show you what's inside this kit, what we're gonna be using today to film our vlog. We're going out of the house, everyone. Whoa, I know. We're leaving the house, we are leaving the kitchen, and we're gonna go do a fun activity today. And the activity is going to be a first, so stay tuned. But first, I'm gonna unbox this and I'm gonna show you everything this kit comes with. I love this. I have lined it up. I have all the stuff out here. I'm so excited. I feel like it's my birthday. It comes with, this is not only a grip, but a tripod. It's 2-in-1. Look at this. You can do like this. It's also Bluetooth, so there's a little remote here. So you can set it up and then hit the button and start recording from a distance or take pictures that way. That's a really good way if you're by yourself or you're like with your friends and you want to like take pictures from a distance. Boom! All right, then you can just pop it back in. This was not a feature when I started YouTube. This was not even happening. This is freaking amazing. Then we have the camera itself. It came in this box, but I took it out. It is the Canon EOS M200, and look at that lens. That is a nice lens. I love it. And this is what I love the most about vlogging, is the screen flips up so that when you're vlogging, you can see if there's hair in your freaking face and you had no idea, or you have food in your teeth, then you know before you've shot an entire video and didn't realize, and then everybody points out that you've had salad in your teeth. And it shoots in 4K. I also really love this camera because it can shoot vertical videos just like your phone would, so that makes it really easy to post different types of videos like across all social media platforms, which I appreciate, and some other features like eye detection and some filters. And in addition to vlogging, when it's paired with the EOS webcam software, it can become a webcam. And it has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Now on to more goodies. The kit also comes with a battery pack and charger that I've got right here, a memory card. How thoughtful, they think of everything. And of course, the lens cover and strap. If you are interested in getting this kit, I will put a link down below to where you can find it. The kit will be $50 off starting November 22nd. Lastly, I'll put a promo code down below, so when you order the kit, you also get a free Canon backpack, which I'm gonna be loading all this stuff up in today when we go out for our vlogging adventure. So what we're doing today is gonna be really fun and really special. Today, I am gonna be taking my puppy, little Coconut, to the beach for the very first time. She has never seen the beach. She's never felt the sand in her toes. She's never seen the waves of the ocean. So I'm so excited for her. We're gonna head to a dog beach, and I'm also gonna bring my other dog, Blueberry Muffin, along with her. And I'm really excited because I actually have another surprise planned for my mom, Mama Mia. I set up this really cute, adorable picnic. Molly is helping me. Thank you, Molly. And we're just gonna rally together and make wonderful memories today. Let's get going. Let's pack this up and head out. If you guys are new to this channel, the new puppy is the white one, and her name is Coconut, and then the other dog is Blueberry Muffin. And Blueberry Muffin is about 1.5, and then Coconut is still just a babe. But she just got spayed. The vet okayed her for outings now. She's got all of her shots. She's happy, she's healthy, she's safe, and this is like her first outing. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready to go for a ride? I found the leashes. I got Mama Mia. She knows there's a surprise, but she doesn't know what. I don't know if, Mom, you've ever been on my channel, have you? I don't know either. So anyways, if you guys have never met Mama Mia, this is Mama Mia right here. Now we're gonna pack it up, head to the car, and go to the beach. Okay, here we go. The iconic moment is about to happen. Coconut's gonna put her little paws in the sand for the first time. Ready? Whoa, she loves it!
She's up! Look at her smelling. Oh my gosh, look at her go. Come on, Coconut, let's go look at the ocean. Good job, Blue. Quack, 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 quack. Come on, let's go. She's ready. So Molly and I have been walking the dogs, and now I think we should give them some real exercise.
Ooh, they love
And
that.
we're gonna run for it. Let me get ready. Ready, set, go! Go, 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 go! Blue's going so fast, she's winning!
Now we've got the double leash for the two dogs, and Molly's got her dog.
He is
Henry.
a beach hound too. He loves.
Sometimes he jumps right in the ocean. We have to stop him.
There's Henry, he's leading the way with Molly. And then here is the double leash. And we're off! Oh my gosh, they're breathing hard. They got a good workout. And Coconut's really loving it. She is smiling ear to ear.
It is a perfect day for a surprise picnic. We've got it all set up over here. My mom hasn't seen it yet. Okay, let me show you around. Let me give you a little picnic tour. It is adorable. As you can see over here, we've got a low table with a bunch of yummies. It's so beautiful. We've got beach blankets and pillows, flower petals everywhere, and a little tent over here so we can sit in here with the dogs and watch the ocean. This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. And then we've got lunch in the cooler with some beverages, a little aloha sign. My mom loves the tropics, an umbrella for some shade, and you wouldn't believe all the goodies. French macaroons for dessert, a cheese platter. My mom loves cheeses. She's very Italian. She's a dual citizen in US and Italy. Fresh grapes and fruit, beautiful flowers, candles, and look at that view. We've walked down the beach and Mom's got her eyes closed. So I'm gonna spin you around and show you your beach surprise. Okay, ready?
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's a picnic!
Oh, look at this little food and oh, I love cheese. Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah, we did a cheese.
Oh, and the flowers are gorgeous.
Okay, Mom likes it. We did good. Now we're gonna get cozy and have some lunch. Molly, have you brought your appetite?
Oh yeah.
Okay, cool. Okay, we're gonna do a picture. Ready? Pose with your.
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2. Cheers! Peace signs. Goofy face. The ladies and I are having some lunch. Yum, yum, yum. I'm having crackers and cheese and a
Delicious.
bunch of grapes. Molly, what are you having over there?
Some berries, and I'm gonna have a macaron in just a second.
Ooh, what color macaroon are you gonna have?
I think green. Oh, I touched it, but maybe purple. I don't
Maybe
know what
purple?
is. I hope it's berry. I really love. I'm
Molly,
into the
Molly,
berries.
try it. See what flavor it is.
I think it's strawberry in the middle, but I'm not sure what the shell is.
Ooh.
Try an orange one.
Okay, I want to taste it. And then, Mom, you gotta take a color one too and see.
Which
I'll
one do
do
you
the
want?
green.
Let's do a taste test.
It's green. I'm gonna guess kiwi.
You think it's gonna be kiwi flavor?
Kiwi.
Okay, and I think mine's gonna be orange. Might be mango.
I have no idea.
Ooh.
Mom, you don't know an idea. Okay, have Molly and I
I just
taste
know
it.
it's delicious. I
This
just know
one's
it's
mango.
delicious.
It's really good.
Here.
Let me taste. Hold on. Lime.
Lime?
We don't know. Mom says matcha.
Or maybe kiwi.
Maybe, okay, maybe kiwi. Could be kiwi. Wait, there's like vanilla, a browner one, and then a yellow one.
Yeah, there's 3 of them. Oh, lemon, definitely.
Oh, lemon. Molly, what about you?
Vanilla.
Vanilla. Ooh, okay, and then I will do the light brown one. Oh my gosh, is it caramel? It's so good. You guys need to try this. Molly, does it taste like caramel?
The filling. Definitely
Filling is
the filling.
caramel. All right, it's a caramel.
We did it! I think we guessed a couple of these flavors correctly. Now, this was not a macaroon taste testing challenge, ladies, but I think we passed.
Woohoo!
Yay! So, Mom, how is the view from this picnic spot?
It's heaven.
Look, you can even see a sailboat out there.
Yeah. I
So
bet it
cute.
get any better than the beach.
So cool. There's a bunch of dolphins. Oh my gosh. There they are. There they are. So cool, you guys. It's just so special. They're like a little family of dolphins swimming together.
Like we're out here having a picnic together. They're having a picnic out there together.
We just finished lunch. It was delicious. We destroyed the desserts. There are no more desserts left. The macaroons went like that. We were like
the
dessert-
first to go.
Yeah, we eat our desserts first in this house. And yum, 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 yum. Just a few little nibbles left. That's all that's left. Good work, Molly.
Thank you.
This has been the perfect beach day and we made some really fun memories. I surprised you for the first time. I've never surprised Mom before.
You did a good job. I'm
Thank
so
you.
impressed.
Molly helped a bunch. And my puppy got to experience going to the beach for the very first time and she had a blast. She is covered in sand. She's literally sleeping right now on beach blankets because she is exhausted from running around and exploring and smelling everything. Before I towel off the dogs and jump into the car, again, a big thank you to Canon for sponsoring this video and making this all possible. We had a blast. Also, just a reminder, I put a link down below to where you can get the creator kit because it is awesome. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, if you like watching these vlogs, or if you like meeting Mama Mia, give this video a thumbs up, click subscribe, and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. All right, thanks again. Bye, you guys. If you want more vids, click here. Yeah, Mom. Or here. Molly, we need your pointing help as well. Yeah, there you go. Or up there. Or up there. Or up there.
It's a dance move.